Right, hello there. Right, we've got some hazed out headlights. We can't seem to see very well whilst driving on the motorway, and we haven't got 15 or 20 pounds to buy a headlight restoration kit. So, what we did find some soda and toothbrush and some toothpaste that was in our bathroom. So let's see if we can just clear these headlights just with what we've got in our bathroom. Right, so let's just put some toothpaste and let's see what we can do. We've got some toothpaste and some bicarbonate of soda. Let's just see what this happens to this headlight. Like I said, we don't have much money and it's an old car. We're on a tight budget, and let's see what we can do. So we're just spraying some water. We've got some bicarbonate of soda and some toothpaste, bit of water, and let's try and get these headlights a bit better, because this car is actually going in for its MOT and we don't want no advisories or failures, because then we'll be walking it, to be honest with you. I don't fancy walking, and we've got no other car, so let's see what we can do. We've got to put some elbow grease in this. It is actually quite enjoyable doing this. Okay, so as you can see, we're just mixing in some water and just using the toothbrush. Now, I know you're not stupid, but I have to say, don't use this toothbrush now after doing this job. But I know you already know that, but just thought I'd mention that. There you go. Nice. And what I'm doing, I'm actually putting quite a bit of pressure on, because we haven't got a drill. My hand is the drill. We've just added a bit more bicarbs, bit of water. Now I must tell you that we are running a bit low on toothpaste, because we've just picked it up from the bathroom and there wasn't much in there, to be honest with you, so we may have to buy some more, or we may have to go to the shops and buy some more. But anyway, I think we're going to wash this off now and just compare it with the other headlight and see what it is. Right, we're going to start wiping it down now and we're going to compare it with the other one. So we're just wiping all this down. Just put some water on it. Get some tissues. Right, let's just wipe this down. Right, now, so there it is, and now let's compare it with the other headlight. And as you can see, there's a huge difference, in my opinion. Let's have a good look. So it does work. So you could just use some toothpaste and bicarbs, and it will actually make quite a bit of difference. You can just compare the two headlights. Just doing the other headlight now. Circular motions. Just a bit of bicarbonate of soda and some toothpaste. It's actually quite therapeutic doing this. It's much better than spending time indoors with the family, to be honest with you. The job's done now, and as you can see, it's a lot better now than how it was. If you can compare, and it only took about 20 minutes to do both headlights. It didn't take long at all, and hopefully we'll be able to see much more clearly when driving at night. And please don't remember please do remember, sorry, don't use this toothbrush. It looks okay, but it's been cleaning the headlights, and you shouldn't be cleaning your teeth with this now. Happy driving, happy motoring.